Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the flight status on the Qatar Airways application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the home button down below in the left side corner of the screen, then tap on the menu icon in the upper right corner. Click on flight status in the middle. You should wait a few seconds till it loads, and then you should select the or type in the flight number or the departure airport's name, then select the destination and the date, and then click on the search button down below, and here you can find the status of this particular flight, including the departure point and the destination, the status of it. And you can also set an alert if you would like to do so. So you can set a notification on the departure or on the arrival. Then you can select the type of notification and the language of the reminder. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.